Ever wondered what hacking gadgets can do in 2024? We're living in an era where technology is advancing at a lightning pace, and with it, the world of hacking gadgets evolves too. These aren't the clunky, conspicuous devices of yesteryears. No, the hacking gadgets of today are sophisticated, sleek, and alarmingly accessible. From pocket-sized drones that can infiltrate secure networks to quantum computers capable of cracking complex encryptions, these devices have redefined the boundaries of what's possible. They've also raised some serious questions about privacy, security, and the potential for misuse. Remember, this isn't a celebration of illegal activities or an endorsement of nefarious deeds. Rather, it's an exploration of how far we've come in the realm of technology, how it's reshaping our world, and the challenges it presents. Now let's dive deeper into some of the most dangerous hacking gadgets that exist in 2024. Before we dive into the depths of these intriguing hacking gadgets, we have a small request. If you're intrigued by the world of hacking gadgets and wish to stay updated on the latest advancements and discussions, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we upload new content. This is crucial because knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to understand, navigate, and protect yourself in this rapidly evolving digital world. So don't miss out on future revelations. Join us on this journey of exploration and discovery. Now let's proceed to our first gadget. A game changer in the world of stealth and intrusion, the Ultra Stealth Drone. First on our list is the Ultra Stealth Drone. This isn't your average toy for aerial photography. No, this little devil is a hacker's dream. It's fitted with state-of-the-art technology that allows it to infiltrate wireless networks from a distance. Imagine sitting in your backyard sipping coffee while your drone does the dirty work from the sky. But it doesn't stop there. What makes this drone truly ultra is its stealth technology. It's practically invisible both to the eye and to radar. It can hover outside a high-rise window or sit atop a power line undetected. It's not just a gadget, it's a silent and invisible intruder. And here's where things get concerning. In the wrong hands, this drone could wreak havoc. Sensitive data could be stolen, security systems could be compromised, and personal privacy could be invaded. All from a gadget that's no larger than a frisbee. Imagine the chaos if this gadget falls into the wrong hands. Next up, we have the quantum computer decoder. In the realm of cryptography, this gadget is a game changer. It has the uncanny ability to crack encryption codes that would take traditional computers years, and it does this in mere seconds. Imagine the most complex vault in the world, and this decoder is the master key. Its power lies in the quantum bits or qubits that can exist in multiple states at once, unlike the binary bits used by classical computers. This allows for a massive leap in computational power, making previously unbreakable encryptions vulnerable. While this technology has incredible potential for good, it also opens up a Pandora's box of threats to our digital security. From personal data to state secrets, nothing is safe from the prying eyes of a rogue user with a quantum computer decoder. The power of quantum computation poses a serious threat to our digital security. Last but certainly not least, we have the Nanobot swarm. Imagine a myriad of microscopic robots, each no larger than a speck of dust, infiltrating hardware systems with chilling efficiency. These minuscule marvels of technology have the ability to cause physical damage to systems from the inside out, or extract valuable data without the host even being aware. Each bot is a masterpiece of engineering, capable of navigating complex systems with ease and precision. Now picture these bots not in the hands of well-intentioned researchers, but in the grasp of malicious hackers. The damage they could cause is unthinkable. A single swarm could take down an entire power grid, disrupt critical infrastructure, or steal sensitive data from secure systems. As we push the boundaries of technology, we must also confront the startling new risks that come with it. The potential misuse of these microscopic invaders is truly terrifying. You can find products like this or similar on hawk5.com. This is not a paid promotion, nor am I an affiliate. In summary, these three hacking gadgets represent the cutting edge of technology in 2024. We've journeyed into the realm of the Ultra Stealth Drone, a device that transcends traditional boundaries, capable of infiltrating the most secure locations undetected. We've delved into the mysteries of the quantum computer decoder, a machine with the potential to break through even the most complex encryption. And we've ventured into the microscopic world of the nanobot swarm, a technology that can compromise systems from the inside out. Each of these gadgets presents its own unique set of challenges and potential dangers. They serve as a stark reminder of the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats in our world today. But armed with knowledge, we can better prepare ourselves and our systems against these threats. While the advancements in technology are awe-inspiring, they also remind us of the need for constant vigilance in our increasingly digital world. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the world of hacking gadgets in 2024. If you found this journey as fascinating as we did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. It's important that we spread knowledge about these emerging technologies not to inspire fear but to prepare and protect ourselves and our systems. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into the future of technology. Together, we can navigate this digital landscape with awareness and readiness. Until next time, stay vigilant and stay informed.